I want to show you some pictures of dinner tables. That one was a long time ago. This one was in Devon, not at home. Even longer ago was when I made a cake in the shape of Thomas the Tank Engine. This is a table set for the Passover Seder. This is a time when families get together, but we can't go there and they can't come here. So what are we going to do? We're going to make coconut pyramids. Here are the ingredients for the coconut pyramids. There are just 3. First is dried coconut, the second one is sugar, and the third is eggs. It couldn't be easier. I'm breaking the eggs to separate them, putting the whites into one glass and the yolks into another. We're not going to use the yolks for this recipe. I'm just separating the second egg, and then I'm going to start whisking the whites. Now they're ready to be folded into the dry ingredients. You can see the difference of having whisked egg whites rather than just the ordinary ones. It's going to mix in much nicer. So start to do it gently, and then you can always move on and do it quicker. I'm mixing it together until it's really smooth. It's going to be quite soft. I'm showing you how to make it into pyramids, and I'm using this special little gadget, which I hate to tell you is years old, and I'm not sure that you'll be able to buy one. But if you can't, don't worry, you can just make the mixture into balls. I promise you they taste just as good, even though they don't look quite so fancy. So here it is, going lots and lots of pyramids, and at the end I've just rolled some into balls. It takes a few minutes to fill the whole tray, but when you've done it, you're ready for the final touch. If you don't have the coconut pyramid maker, just don't worry, make them into balls as you can see here. I'm going to add one optional extra, which is a little bit of melted chocolate to brush across the bottom of the pyramids. They've been in a preheated oven at 185 centigrade, 360 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to add a little bit of melted chocolate to the base. And here's what you do. You just take a brush and brush it over the base of some or any of the pyramids. If you're just doing round ones, balls, I'd suggest that you just brush the chocolate over half one of the balls. Finally, the recipe. They should be cooked after about 10 minutes, but just check, and if not, leave them another 5 minutes. You need 8 ounces, 225 grams, or 1 cup of coconut, 4 ounces, 115 grams, half a cup of sugar, and 2 egg whites and a few squares of chocolate. I hope you enjoy it.